Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about Brother DS1300. So we recently bought this machine and now we are going to see unboxing of this machine. So this machine name is DS1300. It's a computerized sewing machine. This is from Brother company. It's a Japanese company. So if you see here most of the letters you can see in Japanese language also. So initially we planned to take Brother FS101, but when we compare to that, this has an additional feature of 130 stitches, and they will be giving white table as well. So if you see in the picture of the machine, there will be a white table. So if you want to buy it, it costs around 2000 rupees for you. So when you invest the same 2000 on the machine, then you will be getting upgraded machine here. So we bought this machine from bazaar91.com, and we'll be sharing the number of the dealer. So if you contact them, they will dispatch you this machine to your home through like professional courier or whatever courier. So wherever you are, it reaches you, and they will be giving 2 years on-site warranty. On-site warranty means like they will come to your home and they will take care of any kind of repairing activities. So we'll quickly see what features they are mentioned here. So they have mentioned about a fast bobbin winder and step automatic buttonholes, LCD display and quick set bobbin, point feed, pressure foot leveling button, automatic needle threader, LED light and white table. And one more thing is hard case. So hard case is an additional we get here, where you don't get it in FS101. And even control buttons in this machine are very easy. So along with these features, we'll quickly see what else we have here. They just mentioned about the machine, built-in needle threader, quick set bobbin and LCD display. The button operation also very easy here. And if you see here, built-in needle threader, quick set bobbin and character stitches. So if you see here, there are various stitches available along with characters also. So you can stitch names or whatever you want on the machine itself. Along with that, if you see here, there is a picot foot. So this is a freely included here, so you can use it as well. So this is about outer layer of the machine. So let's quickly go into the unboxing. So this is how it is packed inside. This is the foot presser, and this is the cable that is included in it. So there are a few more extra fittings available in it. Yeah, let's quickly open. So this is the user manual. So entire operation of the machine, like how to use, all the instructions will be available in user manual. If you see, there is a box inside. Let's see what is there inside. So this is an extra table that can be attached to our machine. So for any automated machine, since there will not be any extra table, having this extra white table will be very useful, so that when you are stitching any sarees or dresses, it will not skip away. And there are measurements here, you can see. So you don't need to have tape in handy all the time. It will be very useful for stitching. So I think this is a hard case. So this is how it comes. So if you go for FS101, we will not be having this hard case, but this hard case is very useful to keep your sewing machine safe. So they have given with very good hard material. Yeah, so you can close your machine always. So this is the sewing machine. So we'll take out and we'll show you. So this is the machine. So this is the display, LCD display that we spoke about, and here we'll be changing the codes for each stitch style and widths. To increase the width of the style and decrease the width of the style, we use these buttons. So let's try to open the tray and see what is there. When you take initially, there are some stickers. So there is a kit inside. So we have some needles, bobbins and footers. So we have various foots available. Totally there are 5 foots given, and there is a needle set. One is 14 size, and there is a double. This is a double needle, and this is a single needle, and there is a one more single needle set, and 3 bobbins they are given. And this is a zip foot. So basically kind of a buttons and zips. We will use this foot. Yeah, so this is how we can remove the tray. And there are plasters, so maybe we need to remove all the plasters, and this is how it will be. So we can keep all these accessories inside this tray as well. That is the speed. We can adjust the machine speed there basically. If you see, this is the fourth inbuilt. It came up with the machine. Yeah, and you can see bobbin place with mirror case. So like you can see a thread in the bobbin as well through the glass. So we need to remove this accessories case to fit the extended table. So this is how table will be. And you need to open the foot. So for the table, for support purpose, they have given 3 foots. So we need to open those foots, and we need to fit in this way. So it will go and sit in the machine. So that if you see here, there is an additional space here, as well as a complete overall, right? So there will be enough space. So it will be more convenient for you when you are stitching any cloths. So definitely this extended table will be useful for you. So here, as we discussed earlier, we can see the stitches numbering. So yeah, if you see, since there are 130 different types of stitches, they have given a kind of a paging approach here. So you can see 1 to 65 in one page, and 66 to 99, and there are different threads again from 01 to 29. If you go to next page, yeah, here there are the letters. So capital letters and numbers and special characters and different style of characters and various styles of numbers and symbols. So totally, like, you will be having 130 stitching styles and 110 letter styles. So totally 240 different variations you can stitch using this machine. So this is the wheel to adjust your foot. You can connect the cable that they are given, and yeah, this is the power on and off button. So this is the cable that they are given. So it works only on the power. When there is no power, machine cannot work. So we'll create one more video about how to use this machine, how to attach, how to add thread to it, how to use the bobbin, how to stitch it, how can we use various types of stitching styles. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video.